Understanding the table tennis paddle. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting topic, especially for those of you interested in sports and English language learning. We're going to explore what a table tennis paddle is, its importance, and some interesting facts around it. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's get started. A table tennis paddle, also known as a bat or racket, is an essential piece of equipment used in the game of table tennis. It is used by players to hit the lightweight ball back and forth across the table. The paddle consists of a wooden blade, covered on one or both sides with rubber, which affects the speed, spin, and control of the ball. Unlike other racket sports, in table tennis, the paddle's design and materials significantly influence the game's dynamics. The table tennis paddle is composed of two main parts, the blade and the rubber. The blade is the wooden core of the paddle and provides the basic structure. It can vary in size, shape, and weight, which can affect a player's swing and hit. The rubber covers the blade and can be different on each side of the paddle. The type of rubber determines the paddle's ability to impart spin on the ball and its speed. Players choose their rubber based on their playing style. Choosing the right paddle is crucial for any table tennis player. Factors to consider include playing style, whether you're an offensive player who prefers fast shots or a defensive player focused on control and spin. Skill level, beginners might prefer a balanced paddle for all-round play, while advanced players might look for specialized paddles to enhance their strengths. Comfort, the paddle's handle must feel comfortable in your hand, as this affects your grip and overall play. Taking care of your paddle is important to maintain its performance. Regular cleaning of the rubber, avoiding direct sunlight, and storing it properly can extend the life of your paddle. Remember, a well-maintained paddle can be a player's best friend in a competitive game. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a table tennis paddle is, its components, and how to choose and care for one. Table tennis is a fascinating sport that combines speed, skill, and strategy, all centered around this essential equipment. Whether you're playing for fun or aiming to compete, the right paddle can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.